This video is my short discussion about cognition and metacognition. So, let's talk about cognition. What is cognition? Cognition refers to the mental action or process of acquiring knowledge and understanding through thought, experience, and the senses. It encompasses many aspects of intellectual functions and processes such as attention, the formation of knowledge, memory, working memory, judgment, and evaluation, reasoning and computation, problem solving and decision making, comprehension and production of language. These are higher levels functions of the brain encompasses language, imagination, perception, and planning. Basic cognitive processes. Number 1 is schema. Piaget used the term to refer the cognitive structure by which individuals intellectually adapt and organize their environment. It is an individual way to understand and create meaning about a thing or experience. It is like a mind that has filing cabinet and rich drawer has folders that contains the files of things the individual has had an experience with. Number 2 is assimilation. This is a process of fitting new experience into an existing or previously created cognitive structure. Number 3 is accommodation. This is a process of creating a new schema. Metacognition. What is metacognition? Metacognition, when you sense that you are experiencing some difficulty with a topic you are studying and try out different strategies to learn better, you are experiencing metacognition. Metacognition, simply put, is thinking about one's thinking. It is the ability to examine how you process thoughts and feelings. According to John Flavel, metacognition consists of both metacognitive knowledge and metacognitive experience. Metacognition knowledge refers to acquiring knowledge about cognitive practices. Flavel further divides metacognitive knowledge into categories such as the following. Number 2 is task variable. Knowledge on the task variable includes about the nature of task as well as the type of processing demands that it will place upon the individual. It is knowing exactly what needs to be accomplished, gauging its difficulty, and knowing the kind of effort it will demand from you. Metacognitive experience. These three variables all interact as you learn and apply metacognition. Omrod includes the following in the practice of metacognition. Number 1. Planning an approach to a task that is likely to be successful. Number 2. Using effective strategies to process and learn new materials. Number 3. Using effective strategies for retrieval of previously stored information. And last, monitoring one's own knowledge and comprehension. In other words, there are some teaching strategies to develop metacognition. Number 1. Have students monitor their own learning and thinking. Number 2. Teach students study or learning strategies. Number 3. Have students make predictions about information to be presented next based on what they have read. Number 4. Have students relate ideas to existing knowledge structures. Number 5. Have students develop questions, ask questions of themselves about what's going on around them. 6. Help students to know when to ask for help. And last, show students how to transfer knowledge, attitude, values, skills to other situations or tasks.